just found my first roadkill casualty of the trip. This, ladies and gents, is called the 5-star Audax Hotel. Perfect place to crash. On and on and on and on and on and on and on. Woo! In for a penny. The desert's perfect for hammock camping. There's plenty of trees, you know, within sort of a kilometre of each other. I'm right out there now. I've gone off the beaten path, took a detour. There's desert as far as the eye can see, all directions. Breathtaking. Hot, ain't it? No idea what this place is. I don't know if it's the periphery of Abu Dhabi. But there's all this metal junk just discarded here, you know. Barbed wire fence. I see in the middle of nowhere. Really bizarre. Wow, what a treat that was. I've got no idea what it is. I'll have to have a look when I'm back. Wow, that was a treat, man. That was gorgeous, just on his own, solitary, just, you know, trekking across the desert. That's made my day, that has. It's getting dark now. It's cold. I was thinking about just crashing on the side of the road here, but we can see some of the tyre tracks. The Emiratis drive adjacent to the road with their 4x4s, so I'm thinking that might not be safe, man. So I might crash in one of those little huts that appear every 10-15k or so, and if I crashed on the bench, I'll be out of the way of snakes and scorpions as well, so that's looking likely at the moment. That fire there was some Emiratis that had just come out to the desert. That's what they call wall camping, man. Just get a 4x4, fill it full of loads and loads and loads of stuff, firewood, and then just go out to the desert. But yeah, I think it's a way of them getting back to their sort of Bedouin roots. Awesome, man. I've just had 2 deer, about muntjac size, dart in front of me and run off into the bush, which was pretty cool, man, because I've seen some beware of deer signs, and you know, I thought they were tripping, to be honest. I can't imagine there were any deer around here, but obviously they are, you know. So that was cool as well. Shame I couldn't get it on camera. So anyway, it's pitch black now. I'm gonna carry on. Right, I'm hunkered up in one of these canopies. I decided, man, I finished the route, I finished the base route, I finished the 2 extender routes, so I've done 100 kilometres so far, but you know, I'm powered by chicken tikka now, so, and I'm full of beans, so I decided to do it again. So I'm on the, I'm going to do it again now. I'm going to do the 50k base loop again, so I'm going to do 150k altogether. I'm about halfway through that now, and it's 10:30 at night, so I'm ready to hit the hay anyway. So here's my setup. I've got a thermarest, got a British Army Gore-Tex bag, and this is a maiden voyage of an Aegis Max ultralight bag, 600 gram bag from AliExpress, only 50 quid, and I'm going to field test that tonight, see what it's like. But first impressions are, it's amazing, proper good value for money like. So anyway, I'm going to go and have some food, have something to drink, and get a couple of hours in. Morning guys. You can probably hear that it's raining, so I'm going to wait for that to go and then shake a leg. Oh man, it was a long night. Cacophony of sounds in the desert. My god, look, all sorts of animal noises. Also, a van was riding up there, it was driving up the cycle path, and it's not supposed to. That happened about 3 in the morning, and he come past me, did a double take, reversed, shone his main beams right into my face, and then drove up the road, and then come back again, and then did it again. He was having a good old goosey gander. Hi guys, back on the road now. I've seen quite a lot of these wild goats today. I've seen about 25 so far. I actually smelt them before I could see them. They smelt just like a flock of sheep. And I'm going to go onwards now. I'm going to finish the track off, and then I'm going to carry through again and go. So I'm going to do the 150, finish off the 150k. I'd hazard to guess that this is part of the Arabian Derby. Kilometres ago, now I'm on the home straight. My arse is in tatters. Oh my god. Anyway, I'm gonna get some brekkie now and have a nice coffee.